In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card as a payment method in Google Chrome step by step. This is really useful if you want Chrome to save your card details for faster checkout, autofill your payment information on websites, and make online shopping a lot easier. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which opens the main Chrome options. Click those three dots, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories. Look for Autofill and Passwords and click on it. This is where Chrome stores personal information that can be used to fill in forms automatically. After that, click Payment Methods. This section is where you manage save cards and payment details inside Chrome. Now you're in the right place to add a new card. Click the Add button. A payment form will appear on your screen. This is where you'll enter your credit card information. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, because even a small mistake can cause problems later when you try to use the card online. Type in the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, then enter the credit card number carefully. After that, fill in the expiration date. If Chrome asks for a billing address, enter that as well. Depending on your region or account settings, Chrome may also ask you to verify some details before saving the payment method. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification. Once all of the information has been entered correctly, click Save. Chrome will now securely store the card information so it can be used for autofill when you check out on supported websites. This can save you time and reduce the need to type your payment details over and over again. If you ever want to update or remove the card later, you can come back to the same payment methods section in Chrome settings and manage it from there. That gives you full control over your saved payment information whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now added a credit card as a payment method in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.